sweet caramelized onions, a rich broth, a baguette slice, and vegan Gruyère cheese. This little bowl is the French onion soup that vegan dreams are made of. Welcome back. If we haven't met yet, I am Steph and I love shattering people's expectations of what vegan food should taste like. If that sounds like fun to you, you are in the right place, so let's get started. Okay, so first we're just gonna start by slicing up 3 pounds of onions and mincing 3 garlic cloves. My garlic cloves are a little small, so I'm actually using 4. You also want to make sure that you have prepared some vegan Gruyère cheese in advance and shredded it, unless you want to use store-bought vegan cheese, which you can do that too. I will put a link in the description to the video with the Gruyère recipe if you want to check that out. Okay, so next you just want to get a heavy bottom stock pot and add a 1/4 cup of vegan butter. Heat that up on medium heat, let it melt, and then you're just gonna add your onions and toss them with a wooden spoon. You're gonna keep stirring occasionally until the onions are nice and soft. And then we're gonna reduce the heat to medium-low. If your onions are starting to turn brown within, 5 to 10 minutes, then your heat is too high, you wanna turn it down. Our goal here is to caramelize the onions, get them nice and sweet. We don't wanna brown them. So depending on your stovetop and your pot, caramelizing this many onions can take between an hour to an hour and a half. You don't need to be stirring them the whole time, but you do want to check on them occasionally. Give them a stir, and if the pot is drying out, you can just add a little bit of water or even some vegetable broth to deglaze it. Okay, so now that these onions are nice and caramelized, I am going to add the garlic and I'm gonna let it cook for another minute. And then I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna let that cook for a minute longer, just stirring here and there. So next we're adding in 1/2 cup of vegan sherry, 6 cups of low sodium vegetable broth, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of vegan Worcestershire sauce, 2 bay leaves, 2 thyme sprigs, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So we're gonna mix that all up, then bring it to a boil and reduce the heat to simmer it for 45 minutes. Before my simmer is done, I am going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna brush some baguette slices with olive oil. So for each small bowl of soup that you wanna eat, you wanna prepare 1 baguette slice or 2 baguette slices for a larger bowl. And I'm just gonna pop these on a baking tray and toast them for 3 minutes on each side. After you take the baguette slices out, you're going to turn the broiler on in your oven and let that heat up. All right, so once your soup is ready, you're gonna get some oven-safe bowls, put them on a baking tray, and you're just gonna fill them up with soup. You're gonna put some soup into each bowl and then top the soup with a baguette slice and then top that with your grated vegan Gruyère. You wanna make sure that your oven rack is positioned so that the top of your cheese is about 6 to 8 inches below the broiler. Then you wanna put the baking tray with bowls of soup under the broiler and watch it very carefully because it could melt in less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You wanna take it out as soon as it gets melty and starts turning brown. And that's it. This soup is just such a great combination of this rich broth and the sweet onions and then the melty cheese on top. If you try it, let me know what you think. All right, well, that is all for this week. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching all the way through to the end. And I do want to let you know I have a lot of fall and holiday content coming up. So if you are looking for some plant-based inspiration, go ahead and hit subscribe to make sure you get all of my newest stuff. See you next time.